Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class we will discuss about HTML lists, very important topic friends. So the lists, order list and unordered list, two types of lists are available in the HTML. One is ordered list and the second is unordered list. So we already saw the overview of these lists. Let us discuss in detail in this class. Unordered list means there is no order uh, for that list. Okay, so it is declared using ul tags. Okay, and then inside that ul tags li tags should come. So li means list element, so html, and the second entity in that list is css, and the third entity in that list is javascript. So if you display this is the source code, and if you give the source code as an input to the web browser, then web browser will display it as like buttons. Okay, so there is no order for this list. And then if you want order, then you will declare that list as ol with the ol tag, so ordered list. Then it will display as a sequence 1 2 3, okay, or capital A B C, whatever type you give, according to that it will display. Small a, if you give small a b c, it will come. If you give capital I, roman bigger roman letters will come. If you give small I, some smaller romans will come. Okay, so there is an order in that order list. Let us discuss it in detail. And one more thing is, in unordered list default is bulleted formatted list will come. If you don't like bulleted format list, then you can go and use style properties as some disk or circle or square. Okay, so that shapes will come. So let us move to this one. Let us make it as a comment, make it this table as a comment. Okay, it was commented out. So to block comment, just press simultaneously control / then it will comment out. So we need to insert list. Okay, unordered list first, ul tag. Okay, then in this unordered list, what you need to mention? Elements, list elements. Number one is html, 2 li, css, second list element, and third list element is javascript. Okay, so this is the unordered list. Let us parse this. Go save. Okay, here is the our web page. So bulleted formatted list comes up. There is no order. So if you don't want this bulleted format, then you can make use of style attribute, and what is that? List hyphen style hyphen type. Okay, so list hyphen style hyphen type. So these are all the possible types. Circle is the default type, and if you want disk, let us display it as a disk. Save it. So disk is also default. Let me give square. Save. Here the list will become square. Okay, like that. This is about unordered list. Let us make ordered list. For ordered list, simple, just you can erase U and type O, that's it. And the style is not needed because we need to make use of type attribute here. So let me first save it. So you can see, so the unordered list is displayed as an order 1 2 3. It is default, 1 2 3 is default. If you don't like that 1 2 3, you can use say capital A. If you give capital A, then it will start from A B C. You can see, okay, A B C will come. And if you want a small a, so small ABC, or if you give capital I, Roman letters will come 1 2 3. Okay, you observe it. And when you give small letters and save, so small Roman letters will come. And if you want some, it will, if you want to start it from 10 and save say sorry whether it works, let us see. So it is defaultly it is taking, so there is an option to start from some peculiar number. We need to find that attribute also. At present I don't know that attribute, so but this is the default way of getting things done, friends. So ABC, okay, right? So this is the list, and these lists are very much helpful in making especially in these unordered lists are very much useful in making menus, okay, menu bars. In the CSS tutorials we'll learn how to make menu bars, okay, like that. All those topics are very important, friends, okay. So in the next class we will discuss some more topics. Till then, bye bye. Your Svira signing off. Thank you for listening.